A few things from Walmart. Walmart's getting more GSI stuff in. This is the... find it. Halulite 20 ounce yeah. Oh, the thing. Ounce cup. I also decided to pull the proverbial crank or whatever and buy typhoon matches. These are expensive, but honestly, you know, prepping, right? I got more. Let me tell you now, these are really good to have in any bug out bag. Trust me, really good. My favorite is strawberry, actually. And then I got a book called Atomic Habits. It's by James Clear, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones. Yeah, I was actually looking for this book every frickin' where. So yeah, anyway.